Hi, I'm Lee Kanowski from Lane CTE, and we're going to show you a series of safety lessons. But before we get started, I want to make sure that we all have on our safety glasses and we are properly with PPE. No chains hanging down, sleeves rolled up, proper shoes, no sandals, and we're ready to work. Today we're going to talk about safety harnesses. I want to show you a few things on these safety harnesses that you'll need to know. First and most important, this ring that goes between your shoulder blades is called the D ring. We always want to make sure and inspect these every day. Make sure that D ring is in good shape. You also need to look at the webbing on your harnesses every day to make sure they're not frayed, cut, or coming apart. On this particular harness, it has a load indicator. When this load indicator is popped, which means the stitchings come undone, which means the harness has probably been used, we need to throw this harness away. Do not keep using harnesses when the load indicator is showing. The buckles on these are quite interesting. And this is the way they go together. You see how it's kind of offset. This will go through at a bit of an angle, drop through the other side, and then lock. To release this, push in, guide this back through the grooves, and unlock this. To put on the vest, we simply want to lift it by the D ring. Make sure everything's hangs down. This is after inspection. We put this on much like a vest. Securing the chest piece first. Reach through, grab the leg strap. Put them through. Make sure you don't have any crosses. To tighten these, you just pull down. You want to have some room in there, but not too much. A couple fingers underneath is probably just right. Make sure that your D-rings are out, ready to go. The D-ring in the back. And that's where we hook our lanyards. So after we have our harness on, let's talk about the two different types of lanyards we have. This first lanyard here is a positioning lanyard. This lanyard connects to the D-ring. To make this work, you need to push in on this, which relieves the safety, and then the spring will open up. This won't open up until this is depressed here and here. And we want to hook this end to something that's approved by the competent person on the job site. You can't hook this just to anything. It has to be an approved anchor. These lanyards only let you go so far. So if you're on a roof and you get close to the edge, it won't let you fall off. It stops you before you get to a dangerous spot. This is a positioning lanyard. This lanyard is a little bit different. As you can see, it has a bit of a bungee looking piece to it right here. It works the same way. You clip it on exactly the same way to an approved grounding piece and to your D-ring. But this one allows you to fall a maximum of 6 feet. So what this does is it comes undone as you fall. It slowly comes undone. So if you do fall, you will only fall 6 feet and be out of danger by swinging below whatever it is that you've fallen off of. So this one will let you fall, but only for 6 feet. This one is for positioning and will not let you even get close to the end of a roof. Both these lanyards need to be inspected daily before using to make sure that there's no cuts, the webbing's not burned or broken, and underneath here there'll be some kind of a tattletale that'll tell you if it's broken or not, or when the last day was inspected. Never remove these tags, always keep them on. Here's this one. Okay, if this is open in any way, this will say do not use.